Everybody, I'm in Princeton on Wednesday evening. This happens quite frequently. Norfolk Southern have to pull across the diamond to do some switching. Two CSX trains just went by, so I'm thinking he's going to back up. He's doing some switching in the yard. Yeah, he's backing up, so we'll see if he comes out later before it gets dark. There's a partly loaded coal train on the Gibson County coal loop. Two locomotives. Train's only half loaded, so I don't know if they're going to resume loading or not. I've never seen a solo engine come through here before that I can recall. Everybody, it's a beautiful Thursday evening, about 7:30. I'm out by the Gibson County coal loop. They're redoing this crossing here, so it's closed. We got a double northbound CSX stack train. He's got a yellow signal up ahead, so not going too fast. All right, he's come to a stop. So if I swivel around, I don't know if you can see the signals down there, they're all red. But about half an hour of daylight left. I'm just gonna hang out here. Hopefully that'll change to green. Get to see another southbound train come by him. Again, over here is the Gibson County coal loop. There's an empty train there. Yesterday when I filmed the CSX locomotive going by me by itself, there was a half loaded train here, so that train is gone and there's another train here now. Don't know where the locomotives are at, but there's no action going on right now. So, and we're gonna hang out here for a little while, hopefully see another train before it gets dark. Oh, you can see my beautiful 2024 Camry that I'm driving this week from it's one of the pool cars in our fleet at the Toyota plant. So really nice all-wheel drive SE, really drives nice. All right, there he goes heading north. He was at a dead stop for about 2 or 3 minutes and started back up. Signals the other way are still showing red, so don't know what's going on, but we're hang out here for a little while. So after that CSX stack train went by, I heard some horns and I assumed that it was going to be a Norfolk Southern westbound. So I drove out to County Road 275. west, and you see parked loaded coal cars sitting there. In the background is a grain elevator. It actually has their own old switch engine. I'm hoping that I get to see a westbound Norfolk Southern. Well, I've been sitting here a while, and apparently I misjudged at the horns that I heard. So it must have been another CSX train. I thought I'd shoot this pretty sunset. I sure don't remember that Fred flashing when I shot the video half an hour ago, but it is now. Anyhow, so I'm gonna head back into town and call it an evening. Everybody stay safe.